All right, for those of you that are curious, we're sitting in my 2004 Ram 1500 ST. This truck has actually been sitting a while. It's on a property that I have back here, back east, and I am driving it back to Colorado starting tomorrow. So picking up my son at college on the way, and then we're heading back to Colorado. We're going to be building out this rig. I love Alpine head units, and as of late, I've been like installing like the Android and Apple CarPlay units and like the touchscreen. I wanted to go with a single DIN unit here. I wish this thing like played tapes, like there was a tape deck in it. Even minimum like CDs would have been great. But what I want to go through here is the fact that apparently this is like really simple, and the plastic in this work truck, very basic. It's not cracked, so I'm hoping that it doesn't crack. But I did get this from Crutchfield, and one of the things that I would recommend, not sponsored, I buy a lot of the units from Crutchfield, is that because I'm under a crunch and I need to get on the road, I went ahead and had them pre-wire this harness up for me so that I can just like really kind of plug and play and get going. Normally I can do it. It's very easy to do, but I'm buying time here because I got to get on the road. So let's actually get into this. And apparently all you have to do is there is a Phillips. Let's see, a Phillips screw right there. We're going to get into this. How many of you have installed a unit in one of these third gen Ram 1500s? Let's see. Let's see if we can just, it says it's just the oof. Again, I want to be careful of this plastic because it is not cracked anywhere. This pry tool. Oh, here we go. There we go. There we get it. There we get it. Oh yeah. Now with Crutchfield too, they also give you, because when we pull this unit out, we'll see like how much smaller it is, and there should be, oh wow, oh there's like matches in here. Here we go. But pretty simple here, pretty dusty as well. So we're going to go ahead and hit these 4 screws here for the mount. Appears to be the same screws that's holding in this dash. The one screw, that is. All right. The funny thing is I have a CD stuck in this thing, so I'm going to have to try to get it out. But because we've got this road trip coming up, like I said, my son finishing up his first year of college, and he, you know, I mean, he'd deal with it, right? Like we could just listen to the radio, but I love Alpine units, and I wanted to get something that really kind of brought it back. I had an Alpine head unit with, oh boy, we've got like the antenna. We have got hold please. Okay. So yeah, I had an old Alpine head unit with the tape and a 6-disc CD changer. This was in a car that I had in college, and the 6-disc CD changer was under the back seat, so I had to like run it behind, you know, get into the dash and run it behind. This is hilarious though. It has, so here's the thing, if I need that up there just so that you can see it, but this is the funny thing about these units, reminiscent of, okay, this is the head unit itself, but then Here we go. Let's pop off the old display. Don't want somebody taking this thing. So we're just going to pull that off. I think the colors with the buttons and things like that are customizable on this. This apparently just got released. So we're talking pretty new. All right. It looks like Elaine, thank you, Elaine, put this harness together for me. I appreciate you. Again, I have wired up harnesses so many times, but like I said, time, I have got to get on the road. Probably too, I got to get to the point, right? All right, that just fits right on there. Okay. We're already we might be cooking with gas. Oh, holy smokes. Right here into the back of the unit. Oh, wait. Hold on. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Oof. I don't know if this is actually the case, but I think we need to... I don't know what I did with my knife. So this is that piece where, yeah, it just fits right in like that. We'll just use the same screws. So, yeah. Oh, let's make sure that it is the correct way. Hold on. Let me see how this thing fits. Yes. So it's going to go on like this. I'll peel the plastic, don't worry. Oh, yeah. Snug as a bug. Just like that. Okay. So actually, now I can connect the harness and... Oh, whoops. Put it upside down. And then as far as the antenna, they also send you that as well. Might as well get that going too. Just so that we're cooking with gas. Because I don't think that's going to fit in. No. It is not. So this is the adapter. It's Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep. 2002 and up. Well, it is an up, but not much more than that. Oh, dude. Come on. What am I doing? I am so tired. I haven't slept. It's been a minute. Because I had to fly. I flew out here. Overnight flight. And, yeah. Landed like 5 in the morning. Drove down here. And here we are. Had to do some work on the property. Getting the car, getting this thing ready for what we're going to throw at it. Now, I want to make sure that, because you know you're supposed to follow the directions, right? Because I think what I need to make sure of is that, because that can't possibly be the only thing that holds that in. Let me double check. That's going to mount there. Oh, no, it is. Is it really that easy? Oh my gosh, I said it. Ugh. Don't say it. It's like someone saying, I shouldn't say it, but maybe you're not watching this in a hospital. It's like, oh, it's quiet around here. Like, oh, don't say that. Maybe like in your job too. Like people who come around like, oh, it's real quiet. It's like, oh, great. You jinxed us. You know? That can't possibly. There's no way. Really? No. No way. It can't be that easy. Hold on, fam. This guy should just read the directions. Am I right? Fuck. Dude. All right. Hold, please. All right, fam. We found it. Hold on. I got to find my tool. This guy's a tool. Bending the metal tabs to hold it in place. So basic. So simple. Because you know what? Crutchfield actually gives you the directions in the email that they send you once your unit has shipped. Let's see, fam. That's just okay. So easy, even I can do it. You all are probably like, dude, just get with it, man. Just get on this. Shut up and get it installed. Going. See, I just want to show you like what you might run into as well. Well, if you watch this video, you won't. You'd be like, dude, watch or get the instructions from the email they sent you, dude. That's what you'll be telling yourself. I'll eventually be getting an amp. Did I mention that before? All right. Let me go ahead and just put the unit on real quick before we put the dash on. Boy, if this guy just doesn't shut up. Sorry, I didn't show you like the peel. I just want to get it on, dude. Okay, there we go. I hope I have the key. This guy already. Oh boy, that's a good sign. She fired up. All right, source. Alpine tuner. Boy. Oh, I better turn that down. Can't be playing that music on here. This isn't a review necessarily on the Alpine, but just putting this into the truck. I love that blue. That's pretty crazy. USB to plug into the unit. And then also, like I said, it does have Bluetooth capability. So let's see if that just... Oh, look at that. That's just going to fit so snug in there. Wow. All right. So I think here's the thing. This is probably going to happen to you too. And like I said, maybe not, because you're going to watch this video and you'll be like, there's no way I'm doing what this guy did. The screw that goes down in this part of the dash it's fallen. So what I think I'm going to do is we can just cut to that later. I want to be careful because, again, I know like some of you have had the issues with the dash where it's cracked. And guess what? I don't want to crack it. Oh, there we go. You just got to massage it in. That's all. So I'll find that screw. But yeah, with the Bluetooth, syncing up the phone. Maybe that'll just kind of be another video. Because now I'm going to have to figure out, like, oh, the base engine off or base engine on. That's actually something that I heard that I need to be paying attention to. And that you do too when you get it. All right. But that's what it looks like for now. I'll do a better job next time. Or maybe not. But that's what it looks like. I will follow up with you on what I think of the unit, and we'll kind of like walk through it.